Angel's house, outside of the house of Angel May. Angel May. Inside of the house, very small area. Pila mo kabuk matuog diri day? In 4 people sleep this area. Angel May sleep this area. They have electric supplies and water supplies. CR ninyo, Day?
Wala man may CR.
Pero nasa imong lula. Huwag mo na natilok. They have water supplies. But restroom is only in Grandma's house. She only go to the restroom in Grandma's house because this house, Angel May, is no restroom. Unsa din ni diri day? Mora ni inyong area tanan. Ay kani mora ni inyong balay.
Say ara lang mi maligo kung may agas din.
Angel May's
Wala bahawa kay live video sila vlog.
cook pansit canton. Isa na day lunch? Panood to na nimo? Snacks na? Wow. Snacks. Snacks na Angel May. Isa may mga daily routine mo. Mga buhaton sa balay.
Maglimpyo, maglabaw, maghugas.
Angel May daily routine is washing dishes, then make a laundry for her dirty clothes, then cleaning the room and the house. Okay, strainer.
Dito pikas ang kuwan. Nakalakaw. Layo.
Asa dito? Huwag mo silang?
Lula.
Oo. Na yung papa dito.
Ha?
Nara din rin papa.
Nari naman siya tagkabi. Sahay, nari siya. Sahay din.
Angel May family, mother and brother. Angel May. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. First, I asked how many people live in this house. 4 people, including mother and the
Daughter and son.
The 2 siblings of
3 siblings.
Angel May.
Angelo.
Mother's name.
Alna.
Alna, age ni Alna.
47.
47. nya work.
Nagkaan ako, nag-milk tea.
Sales lady.
Ha?
Sales lady.
Nagtinda-tinda ako ato.
Diha sa gawas.
Katong ilang gilian baga milk tea, mangkunya. Gamay na kay halin.
Pero sa pagkakaroon,
Sa pagkakaroon.
wala.
Naninda ko gahapon, ipahuway ra ko ron.
She make a milk tea, a small business milk tea. She built a small business. Income.
Income.
Income, monthly income nimo.
Okay.
2,000. 2,000 a month monthly income for the small business because the business is not not big sale. Kuan kanang Angel May. Inday, name nimo.
Angel May.
Age
10.
10 ya. Grade
5.
siya firstborn. Firstborn Angel May. Secondborn Angela. Age ni Angela
9.
9 years old. Age ni grade
Grade 3.
Grade 3 Angela. Then ni thirdborn
6.
name niya
Angelo
6 years old. Grade
1.
Grade 1. Okay. Then pwede ikanang i-describe nimo unsa si Angel May nga pagkabata.
Sige.
Kuan niya kanang sana attitude niya sa iyang pag-eskwela, iyang study.
Bisaya onda?
Pwede ra Bisaya.
Bisaya onda. Makasabot.
Pwede ra sa di English nimo.
Okay. Angel May is hardworking in my house, like laundry and then cleaning. And then about the school, it's very good
Student.
but the average is 77 because very lazy to make the project sometimes.
Okay. Then Angel May, hopes and dreams in the future.
Unsay may buhang kuan?
Pangandoy
Pangandoy ba?
nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi. Hopes and dreams. Angel May.
Dili na magawa si mong papa.
Sa imong study.
Study. Makahuman.
Unsay kuan nimo? Yan. Hopes and dreams kanang like unsay gusto nimong mahuman. Unsay kurso nimong nga kwaon.
Unsay kurso nimo?
Call center.
Di mo na course ang call center.
Unsa pa?
Sa teacher, police, nurse. It's up to you.
Doktor.
Madali.
Doktor,
Nurse. Angel May, hopes and dreams. Study hard and to become a nurse in the future. Busan sarang nim give 20 kg rice and 60 pesos eggs for Angel May. Busan sarang nim kamsahamnida.
Busan sarang nim kamsahamnida.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Angel May.